Lay an SBS membrane ahead of time. Overlap width 80 centimeters. Turn on the main power switch. Set the temperature to 550 degrees Celsius. Wait until the set temperature is reached. Set the speed to 2.5 meters per minute. Adjust the air volume. Insert a welding nozzle into membrane, and the machine will weld automatically. After welding, the welding nozzle returns to its original position and it stops welding automatically. Set the temperature back to 0. Set the speed to 0. Turn up the power.